soon. Do you know what it is?
Yeah, I know. It's the Dragon Boat Festival. 端午节就要到喽。
You're right. Dragon Boat Festival has been celebrated for over 2,000 years. 端午节庆祝已经超过2000年的历史哦。
Wow, that's really long.
Do you know what most people eat during the festival?
It's the sticky rice dumplings, of course. 端午节当然要吃粽子啊。They're wrapped in bamboo leaves and have different shapes and flavors. But no matter what flavor you like, you gotta be very careful. Cause if you eat too many of them, you'll have a big belly. 不过吃粽子还需要适量哦，否则你可是会变胖的哦。
别担心，可以划龙舟来消耗热量啊。Don't worry, you can burn off extra calories by doing some dragon boat racing. Dragon boat racing is the main activity in the festival. Teams race down rivers in colorful boats shaped like dragons. The first team gets on the flag wins the race. It is believed that the winning team will enjoy a year of good luck.
Cool! 划龙舟第一名竟然可以幸运一整年，真是太棒了。Do you know what also brings you good luck during the festival?
Is that a sachet?
Exactly. Although in Chinese, sachet means 香包, it actually brings a bad smell. It contains Chinese herbs and powders.
Oh, I know. The Asian people will keep the smell to keep the bugs or mosquitoes away.
你说对了，香包有一种特殊的药草味。古时候，大人会让小孩带香包来驱虫哦。
Great. Now let's learn some words about the Dragon Boat Festival.
Yes, and I want you to guess what's our festival for this month. Alright? In fact, for the next month, for the month of June, I'll give you a clue by singing a song. Row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. If you know this song, you can sing along. Ready, go! Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Yes. And before we continue, let's go through our vocabulary. Looking at this, I see a boat. Oh. With some colors and some design like a dragon. So this is a dragon boat. And I see different teams. So it's a race. Ready, steady, go. It's a race. So this is a dragon boat race. Now it's your turn.
Dragon Boat Race.
Yes, that's a dragon boat race. Well, I love food, especially Taiwanese food. And for the Dragon Boat Festival, we have some rice dumplings. But they are so sticky, right? So these are sticky rice dumplings. It's your turn.
Sticky rice dumplings.
Sticky rice dumplings. Wow, isn't this beautiful? Different colors, vibrant colors. These are sachets.
Sachet.
Sachets.
Sachet.
Yeah, so you can wear sachets. Everyone say
Wear sachet.
one more time.
Wear sachet.
Wear sachets. So that's how we celebrate our Dragon Boat Festival. Row your boat. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Let's go. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Alright, that's it. Thank you, students, and happy Dragon Boat Festival to everybody. Until next time, bye.